second part of techniques, we're going to move on to palm muting and downstrokes with eighth notes. Now, this is so typical. This is what happens in Paranoid, and it's a very driving rhythm. It's very even in playing, and it gives out this totally Black Sabbath tone. Let me show you what I mean. Let's start with the E power chord up here on the 12th fret. I'm going to just play it with palm muting and downstrokes only. Let's do that. Yeah, so we want to hit both strings with a downstroke, just considerably loud if you like, so you don't want to go soft on that. Just and make it as even as you like. The note needs to be, well, these are eighth notes. We'll see this with the tempo a little bit. Now let's do the same in the D power chord. You can practice in any chord you like. Now, as you see, the motion comes from the forearm, or the force, if you like. And then obviously you're using your wrist to do the picking. The palm rests close to the bridge, so you get this muted, palm muted tone, but be careful. You don't want to go too close to the pickup because you get that completely dead tone. We want this one that has the boom in it because we get more of the note. So what I'm going to do, because all there is to it is that, I'm going to put a little example with two chords. Let's do E power chord and D power chord, 2 bars each. We'll do continuous eighth notes. So down, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 ends. Let's do that at the actual speed. So 3, 4. Excellent. So it needs to be very, very even in the rhythm to give out this driving feeling. So let's go and do that slow. Again, make sure you're tight here so that it doesn't, become, so that the rhythm stays tight. Let's go. 3, 4. Good luck practicing this palm muting. I'll see you in the next video.